Darkness taught me to survive.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
You will prove useful. With these hands, I will cut down my last connection to the light. You're mine!
Slain double kill!
In the end, they'll all come crawling to my feet. I did not fall. I was reborn. A tribute to your prince? As I embraced the call of the Abyss, bloodlines faded to dust. I will do anything for the Abyss! Who would recognize someone as weak as you? The darkness taught me to survive. I will show you the true Abyss. With these hands, I will cut down my last connection to the light. You're mine!
Showdown! Double kill!
You're mine! As I embraced the call of the Abyss, bloodlines faded to dust. I did not fall. I was reborn. The path to the Abyss was my grand coronation. I will do anything for the Abyss! You're mine! You're mine! The darkness taught me to survive. The Empire is ripe for the taking. the end, they'll all come crawling to my feet. Submit!
Mega kill!
I did not fall. I was reborn. The Empire is ripe for the taking. In the end, they'll all come crawling to my feet. I will do anything for the Abyss! Anything! The darkness taught me to survive. I will show you the true Abyss. The path to the Abyss was my grand coronation. The Abyss! The path is set!
Shut down! Enemy double
The Abyss
Shut
would
down!
not forsake me.
Godlike! Double kill! Triple kill!
I did not fall. I was reborn. You will prove useful. With these hands, I will cut down my last connection to the light. You're not my presence.
Double kill!
This has no use for weaklings. Darkness taught me to survive. I will show you the true Abyss. I will do anything for the Abyss! Embrace darkness!
Double kill!
I did not fall. I was reborn. A tribute to your prince? The Empire is ripe for the taking. Embrace darkness!